some nice quality footage here.
I'm jealous. That gluten-free and ham and cheese.
I'm jealous of gluten-free and ham and cheese. So this is a little tour of Grandma's house. We got one of these big cabinets. Fancy cups we're not supposed to use. Weird old pictures on the wall. Laundry room, extra fridge. Bathroom. Closet. Nikki's room there. My room here. Some more quality photos on the walls. There's some scary pictures of old kids on the walls before, but took those down. Because I'm not trying to get scared, get some nightmares. It's not good. So, just as you guys wanted, home Wi-Fi unboxing video. Shaw cable. Shaw Direct. What is it? Shaw Blue Curve. I don't know. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, good bite?
This is more embarrassing for you, I think.
Look how fancy this bad boy looks. Yellow cable. Power cord. White cable.
3 cables. I think it might be too complex for you.
Nikki thinks 3 cables is too complex for me. I think Nikki doesn't know what she's talking about. Nikki's car broke down today also. If you guys wondering. Could have been doing this earlier in the day, but... Okay, step 1, set it up.
Really?
Step 1 is set it up. Jeez, relax. Gotta download the Shaw app. So you download Shaw Gateway app. And then you gotta use the camera to scan the QR code on the bottom. I'm glad to see Nikki. It's Nikki, she loves this. So then, you gotta find a place for your gateway. Clear the space. Aim for higher ground. Connect the coax cable, which is the white one, to that little doohickey right there. Plug it to the wall, and we'll power it up. Ready to go. Now let's do it. Plug into the wall. Lights on. Wi-Fi name. So now, just waiting for the Wi-Fi to show up on this. It's all set up. So it should be about 10 minutes, so.
We'll be there in about half an hour. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Bye. Woohoo! My car is fixed.
Fuck. My chips just fell on the floor.
Kyle!
So, there it is. Time to connect. Here's the information you need. If anyone comes over to our house. Wi-Fi password. Go to Wi-Fi settings. See it. See what we got. Emerald guest. Connected. Wow. Did you look at that? So, highly requested video. Needed to see the Shaw unboxing, home internet. Nikki was glad to be involved.
So glad.
Now we gotta go pick up her tire because she broke it. But it's fixed now.
I can't afford you.
Not up to your car bill. Last little bit of the tour. Back patio here. Not bad, not bad. Right there. The lake's over there. Got this nice park behind us. I'll go back inside and I'll show you the front. Because we didn't do that yet. Okay, look at this door. So it comes, and then you have to push it in. So look at the bottom's in, the top's out. Gotta push the top in, and then lock it. Kind of a weird door setup, I think. It's European. What? Talking to myself. Here's the front of the house. 2 red cars. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that over there, wow. Lake Okanagan, beautiful.